As you know from the title, the video is gonna be about lipsticks. So the first shade is Nude Nuance. This is how the lipstick component looks like. I bought this from Nykaa during their Pink Friday sale. And the reason why I bought it because this shade is really popular and I'm always on a lookout for a really good nude lipstick. Now that I have it, I totally get the hype. This is the kind of a shade that will suit majority of Indian skin tones but not all. Sad part about these lipsticks are that they are not smudge proof. These are creamy mattes, that's why they are very comfortable on your lips. They will not dry out your lips and they stay for 4 to 5 hours easily. But of course, if you're having oily food, then this lipstick will come off right away. Just one tip, that if you want your creamy lipsticks to last a really long time and you want them to be matte, first apply your satin finish lipstick. On the top of it, dab a little bit of baby powder or loose powder with the help of your fingers. I use this trick all the time. This is how the lip shade looks like on my skin tone and I feel it looks pretty bomb. The next shade from this range of Maybelline lipsticks is the Touch of Spice and it's a pinkish nude. If you are into pinkish nude, this color will be yours and it will suit again from fair to medium skin tones, not the deeper darker skin tones. Both of these shades are from the same range from the Maybelline's Creamy Matte lipsticks and they retail for 299 rupees each and it's totally worth the money and they are on discount all the time. If you are planning on to buying both of these shades, then I will recommend you guys to buy these as a set. During sales, the set retails for only 299 rupees for both of the shades. These lipsticks are affordable, comfortable, pigmented and so many shades to choose from. I will definitely check out other shades also from this range. This is how the shade Touch of Spice looks like on my skin tone. I think this one is also really fab. Here is the side-by-side comparison of both the shades and both of these are absolute gorgeous. Out of these two shades, I like the Nude Nuance more because I like brownish nude more than the pinkish nude. Let me know your favorite in the comment section. While I was filming, I thought why not try and mix both of these shades and see what the shade will look like. This is the final result. This is how they look when both of the shades are mixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, definitely subscribe to my channel for more such videos.